Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 43. Goyangi. Goyangi. Goyangi is the Korean term for cat. The word Goyangi could be divided into 3 syllables. Goyang-I. Go is formed from the combination of the sounds of kiyok and o. Yang is formed from the combination of the sounds of ya and iyang, with a no sound iyang at the first position of the syllable. And I is just the sound of I itself with a placeholder iyang at the first position of the syllable. Goyangi. Let's use goyangi in a sentence. Nawi goyangi yepo. This sentence means my cat is pretty. Nawi means my, or it is used to say that something is mine. Goyangi, our word for today, means cat, and yepo means pretty. Therefore, the sentence Nawi goyangi yepo means my cat is pretty. And with that, you just learned Goyangi. Now, let's do the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 33 to 42. But before anything else, don't forget that our word for today is word number 43, Goyangi, which means cat. Word number 42 is 학생, and this is the Korean noun for student. Word number 41 is 아니에요, which means it's not or it's nothing. Word number 40 is 네, and this is the standard, polite, and casual way of saying yes. Word number 39 is 아니요, and this is a formal and polite way of saying no. Word number 38 is 책, and this is the Korean noun for book. Word number 37 is 학교, and this is the Korean noun for school. Word number 36 is 물, and this is the Korean noun for water. Word number 35 is 저예요, and this is a way of self-introduction, which means this is me or it is me. Word number 34 is 사람, and this is the Korean noun for person. And word number 33 is 죄송합니다, which could mean I'm sorry to disturb you in a formal manner, or it could also be used to say that you are sorry to excuse yourself. So like, sorry but excuse me. Congratulations for reaching word number 43. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Korean words.